It's time to clean the house up. It's time to get going. And I know you got some great tips for us by, of course, kicking off spring cleaning in a fun way, right?
Of course. I mean, so I highly recommend that everyone invest in a product that cleans multiple surfaces in one. So this is the Rejuvenate Click and Clean Mop, and it is amazing because it does so much for you. It cleans, it dusts, it scrubs, and it shines surfaces throughout your house, Brad, wood, tile, laminate. So it comes with that microfiber pad, a dusting pad, a grout brush, so you don't have to get down on your hands and knees or up on those tile up on your shower. And then I love that the microfiber pad is reusable, so you can keep throwing it in the wash and you're gonna end up saving your money in the long run. So we started out with a bang because this is gonna do so much for you to clean this spring.
Rejuvenate, it's never too late to rejuvenate.